Hi to all, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to program your remote transmitter to your garage door opener. So I'm in this 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited, and I believe this homelink feature is only available on higher trims. As long as your vehicle have the homelink feature, this is the procedure. Okay, so setting up using the homelink system is a simple and straightforward process. It should be done in less than 3 minutes. Okay, all you need is this one remote control transmitter, but make sure that the battery is new or at least not too old. This vehicle isn't programmed yet. Let's try and press all the buttons. Okay, orange, orange, also orange. Okay, homelink indicator, if it's flashing orange, it means it's not yet programmed. If it's flashing green, it simply means it's already programmed. As simple as that. Okay, so we're just going to do the number 3. What you need to do is just bring the remote transmitter near to the homelink button. Okay, and then press and hold it. Okay, orange will blink. Okay, and then start to press the remote transmitter. Keep on pressing it. Okay, as you can see, it turns green. It means it's already programmed. Then you can release that one. As you can see, the light turns into green. It means that the programming is success. Okay, let's press it again. Let's give it a try. Okay, it's green. So, but what if you want to sell your vehicle? Of course, you have to erase the programming, right? So what you need to do is press the outside buttons, which is the number 1 and number 3. You have to press them together. Hold it for like 10 seconds until the homelink indicator light changes from continuously lit orange to rapidly flashing green. Okay, you have to do this when you sell your vehicle. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on the next video. Thank you.